How to unlink your Spotify account from Instagram. This tutorial will show you the fastest way to remove the Spotify link from your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap Edit Profile. Now look for the Links option and tap on it. Here you'll find all the links connected to your Instagram profile, including Spotify if you've added it before. Next, tap on the Spotify link. This will open the link settings page where you can manage the connection. After that, tap Remove Link. Instagram will ask you to confirm the action. Simply tap Remove Again to proceed. Once confirmed, the Spotify link will be removed from your Instagram profile, and visitors will no longer be able to access your Spotify account through your profile. If you don't see the Spotify option, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, and then check the links section again. And that's it. That's how to unlink or remove Spotify from your Instagram profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and tutorials.